तो हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। आज हम देखेंगे कि कैसे एक जज ने दूसरे जज की लंका लगाई। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। जज वर्सेस जज। टॉप कोर्ट स्टेज all proceedings before Kolkata High Court. The Supreme Court yesterday stayed all further proceedings before the Kolkata High Court in connection with controversy that erupted when a judge accused a fellow judge of acting clearly for some political party in the state and requested the Chief Justice of India to look into the matter. On Thursday, a single judge bench of Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay on Calcutta High Court had directed that a CBI investigation ordered into allegations irregularities in MBBS admissions in the state will continue. Despite an order of the division bench to the contrary, in the written order he had also leveled accusations against a fellow judge, Justice Suman Sen. On Saturday, issuing notice to the Central Bureau of Investigation, the petitioner on whose plea Justice Gangopadhyay directed the CBI probe and the state of West Bengal, a five-judge Supreme Court bench in special sitting stayed all further proceedings before the single judge and the division bench and directed an interim stay of the single judge order. Issue justice to the original petitioner before the High Court. In repetition and state of West Bengal, pending further orders, there shall be a stay of all proceedings before the High Court of Calcutta in writ petitions. The implementation of the direction issued by the single judge on January 24 and 25 shall be in consequence remain stayed. The bench presided by the Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and comprising Justice Sanjeev Khanna, B.R. Gavai, Suryakant, Aniruddha Bose, said in its order. The Supreme Court has taken the suo motu cognizance of the issue after the controversy became public. On January 24, the single judge bench of Justice Gangopadhyay had ordered a CBI probe into alleged irregularities in the admission of MBBS candidates in state-run medical colleges and hospitals in West Bengal. However, the state government moved the division bench of Justice Sen and Uday Kumar, which ordered an interim stay on the single judge bench order. The state government had made a verbal appeal before the division bench, which admitted the petition. A day later, Justice Gangopadhyay directed the CBI probe in matter shall continue. He also said in order that he was told by another judge, Amrita Sinha, that some days back that Justice Sen called her in his chamber on the last day before the vacation, and like a political leader, he dictated Justice Sinha three things. First, Mr. Abhishek Banerjee has a political future. He should not be disturbed. Live streaming shall be stopped in Justice Sinha's court. The two writ petition before the Justice Sinha where the name of Mr. Abhishek Banerjee is involved are to be dismissed. Justice Sinha intimated this to me over telephone in vacation. Subsequently, Justice Sinha reported to the Honorable Chief Justice of High Court, and I was told by the Honorable Chief Justice of High Court that he communicated this to the Honorable Chief Justice of India. He added in the order. On Saturday, Attorney General R. Venkataramani as well as Solicitor General Tushar Mehta raised the issue of procedural propriety of High Court Division Bench intervening in the matter of oral mentioning. S.G. Mehta said he was not talking about the validity or legality of orders, but was more concerned about the procedure of passing interim order without either appeal, memo, or impugned order before the division bench which case of this very High Court. This court exercising powers under Article 141 is prohibited. He also referred to the 1984 ruling in which the Supreme Court has deprecated the patience of Calcutta High Court acting on their oral request. CJ Chandrachud said, "We are not deciding anything right now. We will reserve everything later. We do not want to make a prima facie determination at this stage. We will see when matter comes up before us. Sometimes there are exceptional circumstances." S.G. Mehta added, "Yes, in principle, sometimes like in hanging or devolution, it cannot wait." Senior advocate Kapil Sibal, appearing for the state of West Bengal, said, "I don't want to respond to that. We should wait till Monday, when the Supreme Court will hear it again." He added that single judge passing order is also a matter of concern. Sibal said state government is filing an appeal against the single judge bench order. Senior advocate A.M. Singhvi, appearing for TMC leader Abhishek Banerjee, said that he has filed a writ petition. "The person who is graciously mentioned in every order unrelated to him is me, so I must be there," he said. Adjourning the hearing, the CGI said, "We will take charge now." Thank you for listening.